Hello, good day everyone. Today we're going to have this topic, no, comparing and ordering decimals. I know you have an idea how to compare decimals, no, and how to arrange decimals from in order, no. So now let's have this one, no. So I know you remember this one, no. You remember this one, no, rounding decimals and how to round off decimals. Okay, so now we round off decimals first, we look at the when we round off decimals first, we should look at, no, to the digit that we're or to the decimal that we're going um to round off, no. So if the number, no, here's the thing, to find your place and look next door. Five or greater, add one more, no. So all digits in front stay the same, all digits behind zeros, uh they say the name, no. So for example, no, round 1.3362 to the nearest hundreds. So hundreds, no, tens, hundreds. Okay, tens, hundreds, so that is six. So if you round off six, and we have to look at the number, no, the next place value, which is the thousands, no, and then the next number is two. It is less than five, so the six will remain six, and the two will become zero. So that's how to round off decimals, no. Okay, so what is 3 point? Okay, what is 3.300 341 rounded to the nearest hundred? Okay, so just chat your answer. So if we round off that one, the answer is 3.34. Okay, so next, this one. Very good, no? So what is, okay, you round this one, round off. Okay, 8.5025 10. Okay, so if we round off that one, that is 8.53. Very good, no? How about this one, no? Round 36.2, 32.6 to the nearest whole number. So what is the nearest whole number there? Okay, the nearest whole number there is 2. So we have to look at the number, not the decimal number. So that will be 33. Okay, very good, no? So that's how we round off, no? That's how we round off decimals. So that's just a review, no? So we have a group activity. We have a game, no? Round each decimal to the nearest tenth. Use the cars to show whether it is going round up or round down. So all I have to do is to round off these numbers, these decimals, no. So if it is going round up or round down, use the cars, no, to show whether it is going round up or round down. So the nearest tenth, no. So in the one, no, number one. So the tenth there is 8. So that is what, round down, no, the red car. Number two, that is round up, no, round up. It will become 20.4. Number three is going round up. Number four, round down. Number five, that is round up, no. So no, round down. Okay, that is round down. Same with the number four, round down. Okay, so good, no. Next, very good, no. Now we will have an activity. If for the group A, so since we don't have the we can't group here. Okay, so group A, round off Patrice's grid to the nearest whole number, and arrange from lowest to highest. And then for the group 2, this is now the answer now. So if you're going to round off that one, okay, for the group B, so same, but they will arrange the Patricia's grades from highest to lowest. Okay, so good work. So here's the answer. And for the group C, all you have to do is to arrange the populations from lowest to highest. No, from means no, smallest to highest. Okay, and here's the answer. Is letter D. Here's now from highest to lowest. Okay, well done. No, so if you want more activities, no more videos, more tutorials, so you may go our games, trivia, you may go to our channel, no, you may visit our channel, no, underscore Brian Villamore 653. So if you want more games, trivia, so you may go to our YouTube channel, or you may visit and subscribe, no, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so how did you find the activities? So the activities is very it prepared you, no, to the topic that we're going to have. Okay, did it? Okay, very good. Now, learning competency, the learner compares and arranges decimal numbers. So these are learning competencies, and here are our essential questions. So how will you compare decimals? How will you arrange decimals from less to greatest and from and greatest to less? No, so vice versa. So that are the things that we are going to answer. We are going to equip that. We are going to answer these questions, no, as we go, as we move to our topic, no, pag move na ta sa topic. Okay, ordering and comparing decimals. Okay, so comparing decimals, so we will have first the comparing decimals. So we'll compare first decimals. Okay, so here we go. Oh wait. Okay. So decimal numbers are compared in the same way as other numbers. That is by comparing the digits from left to right. Same, no? Same. Still the same, no? When you compare whole numbers, same with the decimals, no? So the procedures that we use in comparing whole numbers, that is same too with the decimals. Okay, from again, no, uh, we will compare, the digits from left to right. Okay, okay. So here's the place decimal place value chart. No, so here, no, the decimal point. No, it will start from tens. It will start from tens. Now compare the two decimal numbers below by writing the greater than, less than, or equal. So how are we going to compare these two decimals, no? So the step is the solution. Compare the whole numbers. So what are go look at the whole numbers of both numbers. So in the other one we have 3, and then the other one we have 3. They have the same value, no? So the whole numbers of the two digits of the two numbers are the same, no? Pareho silang value. And then since they are equal, we move on to the decimals. So move na ta sa decimals. So the first decimals is, no, tens, then moving to the right to the hundreds, thousands, and so on. So we will first move to the tens. Okay, tens. So 6 pareho. Okay, so same value. So since they are equal, then we'll move to the next, no, to the hundreds place value, and which is 4 is greater than 3. So it means that 3.64 is greater than 3.63. Did you get it? Okay, very good, no? So try it, no? You try to compare these two decimals. Okay, I will give you 1 minute or just a minute, no? So you may comment, you may suggest, you may ask questions, no, in the live, in the chat box. This video will be available anytime you access, no? So the answer is, yung answer natin is 6.45 is less than 6.54. Okay? So did you get it? So very good, no? So how about it one? Try to compare these two decimal. Okay, so the answer is 4.18 is greater than 4.17. How about that one? Oh, well, no, very obvious. They are equal. Okay, very good, no? So you really understand the topic natin, no? On how to compare. Now, let's move on to the ordering decimals. So how to order decimals. So when we compare, no, when we compare decimals, we compare the digits, no, but still the same, no, in ordering decimals. So we have the two ordering decimals. Ascending, it means, no, from lowest to highest, and descending order from uh, highest to lowest. Okay. Next, no, let's arrange the following decimals from least to greatest. So let's arrange these decimals. So first, we have the technique. Okay, list down the given numbers. So we have to list down those given numbers, no, in this way, in a vertical way, no, so that it will be easy for us to compare, no, the digits, no, yung mga digits, no, it will be easy for us. So now, let's compare. So first step, compare the whole number part of the numbers. Okay, compare the whole numbers. So first, we have the first digit. Okay, dito, itong mga 1, no? So they have the same value. Then let's move to the next digits. As we, as we see, they still have the same value, no? And now we'll now proceed. No, the whole numbers are they have the same value. Okay, so pareho lang yung values nila, but now we will now proceed to the digits. Doon na tayo magko-compare. Okay, so the questions there arrange from less to greatest and vice versa, no? So it means we are going to arrange this, we will arrange this one from less to greatest, no, pinakagamay padulong sa pinaka dako. So first, okay, 3, 1, 2, 4. So which one is the less? Place value, which one is the less? Of course, yung 1, no? Yung 18.19. So that will be the first. So, and now, as we move that one, so that is now erased na yan, no? Now, remaining, no, what's the second? Yung 18.29, and then the next is yung 18.37, and then next is 18.4. So, so the next steps, no, yung vice versa natin dyan, no, yung greatest to less, yung pinakamalaki, yung 18.4, 18.37, 18.29, 18.19, yung pinakamaliit dyan. So now that's how to arrange decimals. No, all you have to do to arrange, yeah, the solutions first is, if there is a part of whole numbers, you arrange, you what we call it one, you compare first the whole numbers, the part of the whole numbers, and after that one, if the whole numbers are have the same value, so you will move to the decimal. Okay, you will move to the decimal part, no, so that it will be easy for you, and then you list down, first, no, you list down the numbers, okay, in a vertical way, so that it would be easy for you, no, to compare and to arrange those numbers. So did you get it? Okay, good. Okay, we have. Did you understand? Okay, very good. No. So arrange these decimals from less to greatest. So let's see if you can arrange one. I'll give you a minute to arrange these numbers from less to greatest and vice versa. It means vice versa, yung kabaliktaran. No? Less to greatest, yung i-arrange nyo, and then yung kabaliktaran yan is greatest to less. No? So okay, tingnan natin yung sagot. So, ito yung ascending order. Ascending order, no, as I explained, no, from less to greatest, gamay, padulong sa dako. Okay, and then descending order, dako padulong sa gamay, nara sila. So, compare the career points of the following athletes. Use the symbols. Okay, so before. Okay, sige daw. Yes, no, Kobe Bryant, a career point is greater than Ray Allen. How about this one? Jason Kidd and Ray Allen. Oh, no, that is not Ray Allen. That is Grant Hill. How about Steve Allen Iverson and Steve Nash? Yes, no. So choose which group has the correct arrangement of decimals in ascending order. Which group yung nakakorek doon sa ating ascending order or from less to greatest? Which group, no? Look at. Okay, very good, no? So the group A is in the ascending order. How about descending order? Which group? Yes, no? The group A. Okay, so how will you compare decimal numbers? How will you compare? Okay, so we have to answer that one. No, we have to compare the whole number part, and then if the whole number part are the same, say you have the same value, we will move from uh, to the next part, no, to the decimal parts, no. So it means, no, when we compare whole numbers, we have to compare it same with the whole numbers, no. So from left to right, no. The whole number part it starts from tens na nagsugod siya sa tens. Sabtan? Okay. So how will you arrange numbers from less to greatest and from greatest to less? Okay. So to arrange numbers from less to greatest and vice versa, same. No, we have to list down the numbers in vertical way so that it would be easy for us para to compare, no, the part on each digits, the digits uh in each category, no. So what is the importance of arranging things in order? So very important. Now this is very relevant sa to in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day activities. So we have to arrange things, no, so that if we arrange things, it would be smooth for us, no. Next, no. So go, you get a piece of paper and then you answer that one. So if you want this, you may follow our YouTube channel. So I will post this one in the YouTube channel so that you will have enough time and we will have enough time to hear, no. So here, I will post this one, no. Thanks for listening and hoping you enjoy watching, you enjoy listening to our to this broadcast. So God bless and have a nice day.